Your county FIPS, or Federal Information Processing Series, is a combination of the 2-digit state FIPS code and the 3-digit county code as assigned by the National Institute of Standards and Technology. The county FIPS code is primarily used for interchange between government agencies and other technical communities in order to better identify geographic entities. Whew, boy, that is a lot of IES words in one sentence. Anywho, you may have your own purposes for getting a county FIPS code. Here's how to snag county FIPS codes easily. Click the link in the description to go directly to the tool, or go to smarty.com and navigate to Resources and then Articles. Scroll to the search bar and search for FIPS codes. After you hit search, select State and County FIPS codes, look up by address, city, and zip. But for reals, you can just click the link in the description. Here is the FIPS code microtool that uses Smarty's address verification data. You can enter an address, a zip code, or a city and state. If I type in the address for Smarty's headquarters, I'll get the county FIPS code returned. I can also go to the City, State, or Zip tab and enter the city and state to get a FIPS code. It also works with just a zip code. Hopefully that gives you the information you need to find the county FIPS code for any address. Leave a comment if you have any other questions. We'll catch you on the FIPS side. Or whatever. I tried.